Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I got a video here because I wanted to show that I had a problem with my Tesla Model 3. On delivery, the rear tech lid tail lights had fogged up, at least the one on the passenger side. And talking to the delivery guy, I says this isn't right, and he said, well, it happens sometimes when we pressure wash the vehicles, and you know, see, it should go away within 48 hours. And I was like, yeah, but tail lights are supposed to be sealed units, or at least not allow any egress into them. So if you get egress into them, they're going to get dirty. But anyway, wasn't going to not take my car because of that, and he did say I could make a service appointment as we move forward. So anyway, 4 weeks in, or almost 4 weeks in, I was washed the car a few times, and each time I've got this big blobby mess on, as you can see, on the back of my tail light. So I made an appointment on using the app on Tesla's for Tesla's service center, and interestingly, good experience. You know, you just make an appointment. You can pick mobile service. You can pick an appointment center. You get given a time slot. You describe your problem. You can take pictures, and then you submit it, and then they get back to you pretty quickly and say, hey, we need this for your appointment, and then they confirm. They send you an invoice, and before you know what you're doing, you've got an appointment. And so I went to the appointment, which was only like 5 days, and that was over a holiday weekend, which was really good. Went to the appointment and handed in my key card. Went to Tim Hortons just along the road. Before I got back from Tim Hortons, it was done. They'd replaced the light, and seems fine. But me being me, when I got home, I just inspected the vehicle to see if there was anything that had gone awry. I noticed the tail light wasn't in properly, or it didn't look like it was seated properly. So anyway, rather than take it back, I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to change it myself. Well, you can see Tesla have not put this in correctly. As you can see, there's a ridge here. Just see the gap there. This is the one from the factory, see? Not overlapping at all. So I'm gonna have to fix it. Don't tell Tesla. Okay, so I put it back in, took it out, and popped all the pins. Hopefully I didn't break any. But there's a metal pin here, there's a metal pin here, and here, and they go into a grommet. This one was in the grommet, but it wasn't snapped into the grommet. And so you put a little pressure on it to close, it snaps in down here. There's a guide one here, and then the threaded one comes down here on this side. You can see it up in there. And you tighten that. This side stays down. When you tighten that, it pulls it round in line, and you can see now it's much better in line. Geez, if you want to do something, just do it yourself, eh? See how that's a gap now? That's the one that we didn't replace. Hopefully I didn't damage the light. I say don't damage the light, but right. I mean, I barely touched it. And to disconnect that connector, you just pop that little red tab out, and then it pulls up. So you bring the little red tab here, and you snap it this way. Simple stuff. Credit to Tesla, I did really easy way to assemble the light fixture, for sure. Anyway, there you go.